Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by confirming essentials and taking the first actionable steps. Mount the camera snugly and set a secure quick release. Once mounted, balance left to right by sliding the camera until it stays level without motor power. Make sure tilt balance is next. Tilt forward and back until it holds at neutral. You're not done until the base is level. Once done, tighten screws, check battery, and test basic pan movement to feel the baseline stability. You continue by dialing in control and sensitivity settings to match your payload. First, increase motor strength just enough to support the camera. Too high causes stiffness, too low causes sag. Make 5–10% adjustments and test. Then set follow responsiveness lower for smooth cinematic moves, higher for quick action. Calibrate trims for yaw and roll so the horizon stays true during pans. Once done, perform a slow 30. You finish by executing controlled takes and watching for issues. Begin with slow walkthroughs. Soft knees and relaxed shoulders reduce vertical bounce. Use small counter movements instead of big corrections. That keeps your footage steady and predictable. If you see drift or oscillation, stop and rebalance first, then rerun gimbal calibration. Make sure motors aren't overheating and that firmware is current. If problems persist, lower motor strength slightly and increase responsiveness a touch. Finally, keep a simple checklist for quick onset fixes.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.